So we will see another demo of how to use analog right to control the speed of this fan. So here I have a motor and I have connected it using a MOSFET. Like, even though it's not high power, like I don't want to connect directly to the microcontroller pins. So here I have connected using MOSFET. So this fan is going into the out of this MOSFET. So this is V out, and V in is the power supply, which I am taking 5 volt and ground. So 5 volt and ground is your V in, and then V out is going into this fan motor. And then to control this MOSFET, like, you have two pins, ground and signal. So that is going into D5 ground and D5 pin. So let's just see the demo. So like the fan is currently running and the speed will keep on decrease. You, it is hard to see the speed, but you can like listen to the audio, like the motor is like kind of decreasing, its speed is like kind of decreasing. So it has decreased a lot. And now it will slowly stop, like. So after a minimum threshold, the motor will not move. It will just do humming sound, and like once the analog value reaches the zero, like the humming sound will also stop. So this is our code. Like, I have set the pin 5 as output, and then the analog value as 200, and repeating it 10 times. And every time in the loop I am decreasing the analog value by 10, and I'm writing that analog value on the pin 5 and waiting for 5 seconds, and this loop will continue 20 times.